Today's unboxing or haul is a little bit different. I wanted to show one of my favorite meal kit delivery services, which is Home Chef, and just so you could get a feel for the packaging. And I've opened the box, but I haven't looked inside. I know what my meals are. This isn't sponsored at all. I just give them money, and because I love what they do, and they make really good meal kits. So this is a slightly smaller box than most of the other companies, even though there's 3 meals inside. So if you're concerned about cutting down on packaging, that's important. And then I'll just kind of show you what's inside. These are the recipe cards, and I'm going to have pear and blue cheese pizza and shrimp pesto farfalle and brown sugar salmon. So that should be good. Ice packs are the first thing out of the box. And this is the only company where I've never had a problem with them with items breaking open or missing items. So we'll see whether my luck runs out today or not. There's some pita bread. And the other thing I like about Home Chef is they put the ingredients for the meal together in a bag. It does create extra waste. So here's everything I would need for the pear and blue cheese pizza. I'm just looking to make sure the onion, there's no mold on the onion. Cheese looks in good shape. Nothing super cold, even though it had ice packs on top. So this is going to be a short video. I'm going to get it in the fridge as quickly as possible. Like Blue Apron is another one of my favorite meal kit companies, but they don't package things all together. You just get the ingredients and then you have to go, oh, I need an onion for this, a garlic for this. It doesn't take that much time, but I do prefer it this way. And the meat isn't in these bags, so when I get to that, I'll be able to show the quality of that. So there's some, the one thing I don't like about them is that when you do mashed potatoes, they only send you 1 potato for 2 people to share, but today they sent me 2, so that's okay. Like, I'm not going to go through all the work of mashing potatoes if it's just 1 potato. So more ice packs on top of the meat. So as far as the packaging goes, it's very, everything, at least everything I can see so far, has the recycle symbol on it. And just because it's a smaller box, there's slightly less packaging. And here, I'll let you get a look at this fish. It looks pretty fresh, pretty good. And so far nothing has broken open or been gross or anything, so that's good. And then here's the shrimp. So I've found that the meat is actually better than anything I can buy locally, even though it is more expensive. So hopefully, well, let me just open up some of these veggies and give you a feel for what you're looking at. These are packed on 9/13. They're a product of Mexico. And I could get something like that at the grocery store. For sure I could. What's this? This is for my pear and blue cheese pizza. I'm not sure what kind of herb or what that is, but it looks pretty fresh, pretty good. So for my meal kit this week, nothing was broken. I'm excited to get cooking. I have to go and get everything in the fridge. So if you are interested in Home Chef, I will have a link below that will, it's a referral credit, so it will also give you a significant portion off if it's your first box ever. And I do find that Home Chef has simpler meals, which is why I didn't rank them number one, but sometimes I'm really in the mood for something that just has, 5 or 6 ingredients compared to some other companies where it's just so many different things. And so I really wanted something simpler, just simpler meals. So I'm excited to get cooking. Thanks for watching.